Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a reboot speed test between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Realme X device. So both the variants are pretty same 6GB and 64GB variant. So before starting the video, so if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys for more interesting videos and comparison videos. So which I'll be doing a lot of test between a lot of the devices what I'm having right now. So as you can see, both the variants are pretty same 6GB and 64GB variants. So let me start the reboot test guys. So similarly the reboot test I did along with the Realme Honor 9X as well. So right now I got the stopwatch ready in the Honor 9X device and both the phones are waiting to be rebooted. So let me start at same time. So similar kind of video I did with the Honor 9X as well guys. So and also do check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Honor 9X. So you can find different comparison videos between both the phones. So similarly in the future I'll be doing PUBG battery drain comparison as well between all these three devices guys. As you can see, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is pretty faster. So within 27 seconds it's got rebooted. And the Realme X got rebooted after 33 seconds. So there is a difference in of 5 seconds. 5 to 6 seconds in difference between the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Realme X device. So that's it guys, this is a quick reboot speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Realme X device. So which I'll be doing this kind of test in all my smartphones, so that just I want to compare both the phones, Realme X versus Note 8 Pro. So for more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel guys, Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video guys, bye.